A common mistake when opening a file in Ruby is leaving the excess margin around your design file and creating a job. This will create extra white space around it. Instead, go back to the Design tab and fill the image to the design. You can assign a margin at this location to your specific dimension and adjust it as needed. I prefer adding a 0 margin so the cut lines are actually going to be right on the 0 margin of the graphic. When you do this and update the job, the individual file is the size of the file itself in the main prepare screen. What this allows for you to do when a material is selected that's going to be cut is increase the efficiency. You can select the array function and then overlap that file so that individual cut lines in this case will overlap. Once the array feature has been determined to get the most efficiency out of the material, select Update, then select Skip Overlapping Cut Lines, Straight Cut Only in this example, and then push the file to the queue. This will give you by far the most efficiency when cutting the material, saving on time and material costs.